Well, hello students, welcome to this class with me, Mr. Alfie. And this is Mathematics Specialist class. In this particular video, we're going to learn about distance of 2 points. As you can see here, there's point A and point B. And this straight line that connect point A and point B, that's what you call the distance between A and B. As you can see here, if you make a vertical straight line from one of the point and make a horizontal straight line from the other point, actually you are going to make a right angle triangle. As you can see here, in this right angle triangle, the distance between A and B is the hypotenuse. That's why the distance between 2 points, let's say point x1, y1 and x2, y2 is given by this one. The D stands for distance equal to square root of x2 minus x1 plus square of y2 minus y1. Let's jump to example. Let's see these 2 points as the example. So this is the formula for the distance of 2 points. Let point A as the first point. That means x1, y1 equal to 1 and 2, x1 equal to 1 and y1 equal to 2. And let point B be the second point. That means x2 equal to 6 and y2 equal to 14. So the distance between 2 points is square root of x2 minus x1 plus square of y2 minus y1. So substitute all the value that we have got here to this formula. So 6 minus 1, it comes from x2 minus x1. x2 equal to 6, x1 equal to 1. Square root of 6 minus 1 plus square root of 14 minus 2. 14 is y2, comes from this one, y2. And then minus y1. y1 is 2. It comes from this one. y1 equal to 2. So, the distance equal to square root of 5 square plus 12 square. It is equal to square root of 169 or equal to 13. Or, let's jump to the next example. Find the distance between points 3, 7 and negative 4, 10. Remember, we need to start the point first. Let x1, y1 equal to 3, 7. That means x1 equal to 3, y1 equal to 7. And x2, y2 equal to negative 4, 10. x2 equal to negative 4 and y2 equal to 10. So remember, this is the formula of the distance. Square root of x2 minus x1 plus square of y2 minus y1. Substitute all the value to the formula. We get negative 4 minus 3. Negative 4 is x2 here. And minus 3. x1 is 3 here. And then square of 10 minus 7. 10 is y2 here. This is y2. And y1 is 7 from here. So the distance equal to square root of negative 7 square plus 3 square or square root of 78. The distance equal to 7.62 units. If you leave the answer in this form, it is okay. It is correct. But if you wanted to make the shirt into a decimal number, that's even better. Next example, find the distance to point X. The coordinate is negative 3, 2 and Y. The coordinate is A, negative 1 are square of 34 units apart. Find the value of A. So in this question, we are given the distance between 2 points, but we are going to find the coordinate one of the point. So let x1, y1 equal to negative 3, 2. That means x1 equal to negative 3, y1 equal to 2, and x2 comma y2 equal to a comma negative 1, whereas x2 equal to a and y2 equal to negative 1. This is the formula of the distance. We substitute all the value that we have known to this formula. So the distance is square root of 34 equal to square root of x2 equal to a minus x1. x1 equal to negative 3, y2 equal to negative 1, and y1 equal to 2. So we square each side, we find this one. Square of 34 equal to square of a plus 3 plus square of negative 3. Like I said before, we square each sides, so the square root will be disappear. So now we'll find 34 equal to square of a plus 3 plus 9. Negative 3 square equal to 9. So we move 9 to this side, it becomes negative 9. 34 minus 9 equal to 25. So now we have 25 equal to square of a plus 3. So now we have found this, and then we square root each side. So a plus 3 equal to square of 25. Square of 25 is plus minus 5. So we're going to find the value of a. A equal to negative 3. This positive 3, we move to this side, it becomes negative. So a equal to negative 3 plus minus 5. Once it's positive, so a equal to negative 3 plus 5 equal to 2. Or when it's negative, a equal to negative 3 minus 5 equal to negative 8. So there are two values of a, which is 2 or negative 8. Now, how to find the midpoint between 2 points? Let's see here. This point is x1 comma y1, and this point is y2 x2 comma y2. So the point M is the midpoint between 2 points. M divide the distance between these 2 points in 2 parts equally. So the midpoint M of 2 points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 is given by M equal to x1 plus x2 per 2 comma y1 plus y2 per 2. This number represents the x coordinate and this number will represent the y coordinate. Let's jump to the example. Find the midpoint of 3, 6 and negative 5, 8. As you can in this graph, this is negative 5, 8 and this is 3, 6. So now we're going to find the midpoint between these 2 points. Okay, let x1, y1 equal to 3, 6 and x2, y2 equal to negative 5, 8. So the formula is M equal to x1 plus x2 per 2, y1 plus y2 per 2. Substitute all the value that we have found. X1 equal to 3 plus x2 negative 5 per 2, y1 6 plus y2 8 per 2. So the coordinate of the midpoint is negative 2 per 2, 14 per 2. It is negative 1, 7. As you can in this picture, you can see here that this is the midpoint, negative 1, 7.